Hello guys, this is another set of cool things for all occasions to check out the gadgets that will keep your data, your belongings, and even other devices safe and sound. DIY enthusiasts will appreciate a brand new way to decorate their stuff, and cyberpunk disciples will be pleased with a brand new way to control reality. So here are the top 10 gadgets that are worth buying. Number 1. WrisLax Laser. This WrisLax laser engraving and cutting machine is the best way to customize all the surrounding stuff around you. You can use it to bring the most creative design concepts to life. It's lightweight and compact, and its small size makes it easy to take it anywhere. The engraving can be made on pretty much everything from leather products to food. Seriously, food with laser engraving looks extraordinary, and that'll definitely impress your guests. You need something different. Okay, it can cut through cardboard and even wood that's 0.2 inches thick. The upper part is 180 degrees rotatable that's comfy. In order to choose to design, connect your phone to the gadget via Wi-Fi or a wire and find a suitable image. Number 2. VANZY Ring. This innovative ring from VANZY is the ultimate companion for you and all your devices. All the controls are already on your finger now. That's right, this ring is all you need either to type texts, answer calls, or control media files, and so on. Or you might use the gestures to scroll web pages and work with media in the most futuristic way. You can even type some phrases, but this thing's not that powerful to replace the keyboard. The device is easy to recharge or the cradle when it's needed. Bluetooth's connectivity allows you to use this gadget with virtually any device and platform, from your smartphone and laptop to smart TV and VR headset. Everything is literally at your fingertips. Number 3. MagLoop Magnetic Power Bank. When traveling, you need a lot of adapters and cables to charge all your devices. With this magnetic power bank, you can enjoy watching videos or scrolling social networks while the wireless fast chargers juicing up your phone. Are there more gadgets to be charged? Plug this thing into a regular socket and feel free to use 3 ports and charge the power bank itself. Still consider it to be too bulky. This Pandora one is slimmer and also has 3 ports, but there's also an LED display to see how much power is left. And don't forget to take 2 plug adapters with you. Number 4. LensCase Carbon Fiber Case. How to get the most out of the triple lenses on your iPhone. Take a look at this with the Shift Cam camera lens case. This rugged case has 5 lenses that add a new perspective to your iPhone pics. Now you can quickly switch between fisheye or macro mode that zooms the pics up to 30 times using the built-in slide and snap mechanism. Finally, this durable case keeps your iPhone safe on photo trips and everyday adventures. Number 5. Trene Control Alarm. Oops, the deadline's come in, but you're running out of coffee again. While the barista is making a bracing refueling, you better put this training alarm on your laptop to make sure no one will touch it when you're out. To activate it, just synchronize the device with the app and place it whenever you need it. If there's a movement of the monitored item, you and the thief will hear an alarm. It'll stop as soon as you return. So now you can safely go for another cup of coffee while working in a cafe or co-working space, knowing that your laptop is protected to stop theft before it happened. Number 6. Tech Organizer Too Many Cables. That sucks. You need to organize them if you don't want to deal with that tangled mess. This tech organizer is your way out to keep everything in place and improve your productivity. Stick the band to the laptop with the adhesive, or just wear it to keep your pin at hand. Or you can perform the same trick with the table and make sure all the cables and hubs are neatly organized. You say you have some free space on the wall. Perfect. You can keep your eyeglasses now. Just pick the most preferable option. Number 7. WrisLax Wearable Wrist Massager. Do your wrists hurt from constant work on a computer or phone? This wearable bracelet massager will reduce pain. Unlike bulky massagers, this one works simultaneously with you wherever you are. It gets rid of strain and increases the level of relaxation. No more pain when typing, drawing, playing games, or tennis. What's cool, this device can be on guard of your sleep to enhance your brainwaves as well as provide total relaxation and release tension. Pick one of 4 massage modes depending on your goal, and don't let the pain stand in the way. Number 8. NEBO Flashlight. Which flashlight to choose? Heavy and large but bright, or small and portable but dim? This NEBO flashlight is a combo of the best characteristics. It's so small you can wear it around your neck, but don't jump to conclusions, you'll be impressed with its performance. Do you see those 2 LEDs? The bigger one is your main light with 4 brightness modes, while the smaller one will provide you with red and green color modes, making the device perfect for maintaining night vision. And that thing on the left is nothing but a hidden port to recharge the flashlight when needed. Despite its size, it runs for up to 1 hour on high mode, but when you choose the less consumptive green mode, it'll last almost 40 hours. Number 9. OzoBot's EVO Robot. Meet the OzoBot's EVO robot that communicates with you using light and sound signals, but he needs to be taught how to do that first. To start with, you need to use an educator bot cam to teach yourself how to code in 2 ways. The first is colored code, which is totally screen-free. In fact, you can code with a stroke of a marker. The Ozo Blockly app offers a more advanced type of coding for visual programming. From there, you can access hundreds of STEAM lessons to deliver this knowledge to your robot. As a result, it'll recognize the objects that follow your fingers or even run away from you. Thanks to its tiny size, that can even fit in the palm of your hand, so you can safely use it in any Lego game. This robot is able to work without recharging for up to 60 minutes. Number 10. DJI Mic Wireless Microphone System. Still suffering from low-quality audio? The wireless DJI Mic might be a perfect solution for smartphones, laptops, and cams, since it records audio within an 800-foot range without interruptions, even in loud environments. Dual-channel recording system consists of 2 transmitters, which means you can use it as an independent recording device. This thing also boasts a compact, portable design. That's why it's comfortable to wear. In fact, the compact charging case is ideal to take traveling or used for storage. Additionally, it allows you to record audio for up to 15 hours. Yep, its memory is that big. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if you enjoyed it, please leave us a like and tell us your thoughts about these items in the comment section below. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, and ring the bell icon to keep updated on all of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you next time.